Remember the baby found in the Georgia landfill, little Quinton Simon? Well, his mom, Leilani Simon, gave an interview to the New York Post. She did it by way of email, her jail email, charged with the murder of little Quinton, 20 months old at the time of his death. And Leilani's complaining about the privileges that she doesn't have that other inmates do, saying they feed us dinner at 3 or 4 p.m. We go to bed hungry. We have snacks in another unit. The recreation yard is a concrete box with a concrete ceiling. She says, I'm going to be here. I'd like to be treated, if I'm going to be here, rather, I'd like to be treated like any other PC, protective custody, inmate who gets all the privileges the way they're meant to. Oh, boo-hoo, Leilani Simon. Facing these charges, accused of murdering her little baby and dumping him in the trash. I wonder this morning, is anyone feeling sorry for Ms. Simon? Let's bring in our power panel. I'm sure they've got a lot to say about this. Claudia King, let me start with you, please.
I'm not feeling sorry for her at all. You said it perfectly earlier. Jail is not supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be a place that any of us want to be. And there's one clear way to avoid being there, and that is by not committing a crime. So I don't feel sorry for her. And the key word that she even used in her interview by email, by the way, is, that these are things that are not rights. These are privileges. So these are not things that she's entitled to. I'm so sorry she doesn't have her colored pencils. I'm so sorry that she doesn't have enough TV time, but she's not in the landfill, so I think she ought to be pretty grateful for that.
Exactly, Claudia. Thank you for that. I want to show you all a clip of what Leilani Simon told WTOC TV station. This was back in 2022, and this was when little baby Quinton was still considered missing.
I'm here, I've been here every day since this. I am not running and I'm not hiding. And if something does come up that I am at fault, I will take myself to that police station.
Oh, she made it to the police station, all right. Lieutenant Gould, what do you think about her crying, saying she wasn't running? Your thoughts?
Well, she can be a sociopath that truly don't believe that she did anything wrong. Early on in my career, I worked in the late 70s at a maximum security state prison full of convicted felons. And one thing 90% of them had in common, they were not guilty of anything. The prosecutor did it, the judge did it, the husband, the boyfriend, whatever it was, no one was guilty, and they truly believed that. For the most part, they actually believe that. So right now, she's obviously should be doing interviews. She's not getting any sympathy or empathy from me. And so why she's even doing that, regardless of how she thinks. And if she does believe she didn't do anything, she has to know the public certainly thinks she did.
Exactly. I'm so appreciative of you sharing that, Mike. You get a lot of people in denial in the criminal justice system, don't you? Melba Pearson, want to give you the last word on this, please. We know that little baby went missing from his playpen in mom's home. Do you think anybody has any sympathy for Ms. Simon?
Well, she is not exactly doing all the right moves to garner said sympathy, if that's what she's looking for. Unfortunately, her statement has made her look more entitled as opposed to as someone who is really struggling with the death of their child. So I do question her mental health. It could be a situation where she is a sociopath. We don't know, but I'm sure we're going to learn more very quickly as this case starts to unfold.